Welcome to a short video tutorial on using the Bloomberg BNA tax management portfolios. The Bloomberg BNA tax management portfolios are valuable resources for attorneys doing tax research. BNA stands for Bureau of National Affairs. They're a smaller publisher recently bought by Bloomberg Law. The Bloomberg BNA tax management portfolios are written by tax practitioners who are topic experts. The tax management portfolios are soft, spiral-bound volumes published individually by Bloomberg BNA and organized into a numbered series. They're now also published electronically. Each portfolio covers a narrow area of tax law in depth. It includes the history and background of a topic, detailed analysis, working papers and worksheets to implement planning suggestions, and a bibliography of related literature. Coverage includes citations to cases, the Internal Revenue Code, regulations, and IRS pronouncements, all of which are footnoted or included in the text of the portfolio analysis, and in the case of the electronic version, linked directly to those primary sources. The portfolio sections are updated regularly for important tax developments. To access the electronic Bloomberg BNA tax management portfolios, go to the Law Library's webpage and click on the BNA Online Publications link, which is underneath the quick links for legal research. Remember, to access this off-campus, you'll need to authenticate through VPN first and then go to the BNA online publications. Once you're on the Welcome page, go to the Login to your Bloomberg BNA product subscription. Click the drop-down arrow. This presents you with all of the Bloomberg BNA databases to which the law school subscribes. Go down and select Tax Management Portfolios. And click Go. The Bloomberg BNA portfolios are divided into broad categories. You've got U.S. income portfolios, estate, gifts, and trust portfolios, the tax practice series, and then some other things such as the Federal Excise Tax Navigator and Green Incentives Tax Navigator. Usually, for general federal tax questions, you'll want the U.S. income portfolios. There are some great finding aids on the Bloomberg BNA site. If you want to look at the numbering scheme breakdown for all of the portfolios, click on the List of Portfolio/Chapters. Then you select the particular type of portfolio, such as U.S. income portfolios. Now, by default, I look at the classification guide. But you can also look at a numerical finding list. Let's say we know we want Tax Management Portfolio 515-2 that deals with divorce and separation. Now, I could scan the classification guide, but since I have the number, if I click on the numerical finding list, it's all organized by number. So I go down to find 515-2, divorce, and separation. Once I click on that, I have a table of contents for the portfolio and can click into the particular areas in which I'm interested in, such as excess alimony recapture. Another great finding aid for the portfolios on the Bloomberg BNA site are the indexes. On the front page of the Bloomberg BNA Tax Management Portfolio section, click on the big orange button labeled Indexes. You'll be taken to all of the indexes for the portfolios. Now you can also go back to that front page and look under a particular portfolio, and in brackets you'll have indexes, and you can choose keyword or IRC. That's another way. So if I click on the keyword index for U.S. income portfolio, I can look down for alimony, expand that out, and find recapture of alimony. If you know the Internal Revenue Code number, if you go to the IRC index for that portfolio, it's all organized by code section. So let's say you know that alimony is covered under IRC Section 71. Well, we'll go down to Section 71, expand that out, and there we go. And we find our main discussion of alimony is under Tax Management Portfolio 515. And we can get the entire outline if we just click on that little breadcrumb trail. Finally, when using BNA, you can always do a terms and connectors search. So if we go back to our front page, we have a basic search option up in the top right corner, or an advanced search option, and guided search. I recommend that you choose either the advanced search or guided search. The guided search is probably a little bit easier for the novice. The connectors used are similar, but not exactly the same as in Lexis and Westlaw. So your first step under guided search would be to select the particular portfolio you want to search. You could search by certain fields, by the tax code. You can put in keywords. And then you look through your results. This has been a short video tutorial on using Bloomberg BNA to locate and search your BNA tax management portfolios. Remember, if you have any questions, please contact a law librarian.